Example 3. Consider a triangle ACB, right angled at C, in which AB equal to 29 units, BC equal to 21 units, and angle ABC equal to theta. Determine the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. Given triangle ACB with right angle at C. So ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle is at C. AB equal to 29 units, hypotenuse is given as 29 units, BC 21 units, and angle ABC equal to theta given. And you have to find the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. So you have to find sin theta. Sin theta means side opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Side opposite to theta is what here? AC. So first of all we have to find the length of AC. For that we use Pythagoras theorem, as we know hypotenuse in one of the sides. So in triangle ACB, angle ACB equal to 90. So by Pythagoras theorem we get AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. 29 square equal to what is AC? So we have to find plus BC 21 square. 29 square 841 equal to AC square plus 441. From this we get AC square equal to 841 minus transpose this 441. 400. AC equal to root 420. So now you have to find cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. First of all find cos theta. Cos theta means side adjacent to theta by hypotenuse, BC by AB. What is BC? 21 and what is AB? 29. Sin theta, side opposite to theta by hypotenuse. For theta, what is the side opposite? AC. And what is the hypotenuse? AB. 20 by 29. Now we are going to find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to cos theta 21 by 29. Cos square theta means cos theta whole square, plus sin square theta means sin theta whole square. What is sin theta here? 20 by 29 whole square. 441 by 841 plus 400 by 841. So 841 is LCM, and in the numerator you get 441 plus 400. By taking LCM we get that. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to what? 1. Now we have to find cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta means 21 by 29 whole square minus sin square theta means 20 by 29 whole square. 441 by 841 minus 20 by 29 whole square means what? 400 by 841. So LCM is 841, and in the numerator we get 441 minus 400, 41 by 841. Example 4. In a right triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A into cos A equal to 1. In right triangle ABC, right angled at B, first we draw a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 and tan A equal to 1 given, and you have to verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Tan A equal to 1 given, but from the diagram tan A means side opposite to A by side adjacent to A. What is the side opposite to angle A? BC, and side adjacent to angle A, AB. So tan A equal to BC by AB from the diagram, but tan A equal to 1 given. So BC by AB equal to 1. From this we get, by transposing we get BC equal to or AB equal to BC. So these two sides are equal, but we don't know the length of those two. Let AB equal to BC equal to K. Now I have to show that 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. Sin A means side opposite angle A by hypotenuse, but we don't know the length of hypotenuse here AC. We have to find AC first. So angle B equal to 90. You can use Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, K square plus K square, 2K square. AC equal to root 2K square, root 2 into K, that is root 2 times K. Now you have to show that 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. First you have to find sin A. Sin A means side opposite angle A by hypotenuse, BC by AC, K by root 2K, K once 1 by root 2. And cos A, side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse, AB by AC, K by root 2K, K once 1 by root 2. See, tan A equal to 1 given in the problem, but here ABC is the right angle triangle in which angle B equal to 90 and tan A is given as 1. But from the diagram, tan A means side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A, that is BC by AB. So BC by AB equal to 1. From that you get AB equal to BC. So let AB equal to BC equal to K. Now we have to find AC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That is Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. K square plus K square, 2K square. AC equal to root of 2K square, that is root 2 times K. Now sin A, side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse, BC by AC, that is K by root 2K, K once 1 by root 2. Cos A, side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC, K by root 2 times K, K once 1 by root 2. Now I have to show that 2 sin A cos A equal to 1 or not. Take the left hand side 2 sin A cos A. So 2 into, what is sin A here obtained? 1 by root 2 and cos A 1 by root 2. 2 into 1 once 1, root 2 into root 2, root 4, the value of root 4 is 2. So root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. 2 once, 1 once, 1. So 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. Example 5. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P. OP equal to 7 centimeters and OQ minus PQ equal to 1 centimeter. Determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. So in triangle OPQ, right angle at P. OPQ is a right angle triangle with right angle at P. OP equal to 7 centimeters. OQ minus PQ. Difference of the hypotenuse and the third side is equal to 1. Now you have to find sin Q and cos Q. Sin Q means opposite side of Q by hypotenuse. First we have to find hypotenuse. Here as angle P equal to 90, OQ is the hypotenuse. Now we apply Pythagoras theorem. Angle P equal to 90. So OQ square equal to OP square minus plus PQ square. But here you see, here OQ minus PQ is given as what? 1 centimeter. From this you can write OQ equal to 1 plus PQ. So substitute OQ equal to 1 plus PQ here. OQ square means 1 plus PQ whole square. What is the length of OP given? 7 square plus PQ square. Now 1 plus PQ whole square is in the form of A plus B whole square. A square 1 square 1, 2AB 2 into 1 into PQ 2PQ plus B square PQ square equal to 49 plus PQ square. PQ square gets cancelled. 2PQ equal to 49 minus 1, transposing this one. 2PQ equal to 48. PQ equal to how much? 48 divided by 2. 2 24s. So PQ equal to 24. So after getting PQ, you can find OQ, because here OQ equal to what obtained from the given? OQ equal to 1 plus PQ, that is 1 plus 24 equal to 25. So now once again, OPQ is a right angle triangle, right angle at P. OP equal to 7 centimeters, and OQ minus PQ, difference of the hypotenuse on the third side is given as 1 centimeter. So OQ minus PQ equal to 1 centimeter. From this you can write OQ equal to 1 plus PQ. So as angle P equal to 90, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square. OQ equal to what? 1 plus PQ whole square equal to 7 square plus PQ square. 1 plus PQ whole square in the form of what? A plus B whole square. A square 1 square 1, 2AB 2 into 1 into PQ 2PQ plus B square PQ whole square PQ square is equal to 7 square 49 plus PQ square. So PQ square gets cancelled. 2PQ equal to 49 minus 1, 2PQ equal to 48, PQ equal to 48 by 2, 24. So after getting PQ, you can find OQ, because OQ equal to what here? 1 plus PQ, 1 plus 24, 25. Now I have to find sin Q and cos Q. So what is sin Q? Sin Q means what? Side opposite angle Q by hypotenuse. That is OP by OQ. 7 by 25. Cos Q means what? Side adjacent to angle Q by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of angle Q is what? PQ by hypotenuse OQ. 24 by 25.